लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे
वृंदावन नीको सखे रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको।
घर घर तुलसी ठाकुर पूजा ठाकुर पूजा
घर घर तुलसी ठाकुर पूजा ठाकुर पूजा
घर घर तुलसी ठाकुर पूजा ठाकुर तुलसी
ठाकुर पूजा
ठाकुर पूजा दर्शन गोविंद जी को सखी रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
दर्शन गोविंद जी को सखे रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
लागे वृंदावन नीको आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको।
निर्मल नीर बहत यमुना को बहत यमुना को निर्मल नीर बहत
जमुना को बहुत जमुना को
निर्मल नीर बहत यमुना को बहत यमुना को भोजन दूध दही को सखीरी मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन नीको
सखे रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
लागे वृंदावन नीको आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको।
रत्न सिंहासन आप विराजे आप विराजे
रत्न सिंहासन आप विराजे आप विराजे
रत्न सिंहासन आप विराजे आप विराजे मुकुट धरियो तुलसी को सखीरी मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन
नीको सखे रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे
वृंदावन नीको
लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन नीको रे
मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको कुंजन कुंजन फिरत राधिका फिरत राधिका कुंजन कुंजन फिरत राधिका
फिरत राधिका
कुंजन कुंजन फिरत राधिका फिरत राधिका शब्द सुनत मुरली को सखीरी मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको लागे वृंदावन
नीको सखे रे मोहे लागे वृंदावन नीको
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को लागे वृंदावननी को रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को
लागे वृंदावननी को आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को
मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के
प्रभु गिरिधर नागर
मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर भजन विना सब फीको सखीरी मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को लागे
वृंदावननी को सखीरी मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को
रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को
रे आली मोहे लागे
वृंदावन रे आली मोहे लागे वृंदावननी वृंदावननी को सखीरे मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को लागे वृंदावननी को सखीरे मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को लागे वृंदावननी को सखीरे मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को लागे वृंदावननी को सखीरे मोहे लागे वृंदावननी रे आली 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 मोहे लागे वृंदावननी को गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्ण कोशिश करें अच्छा धन्यवाद कोशिश करें अच्छा आप शुरू करो छोटा
We gaan ons best doen.
ब्रज एक ब्रज वाला खोजता हूँ हरि का।
अरे आप कोई भी कीर्तन करो आपके अच्छा लगेगा।
अच्छा
हरि बोल।
नाम ही कीर्तन के आनंद में भरे हुए ना, आपकी कीर्तन जो है हृदय में भरा हुआ है सर, आनंद के प्रकाश को।
अच्छा ठीक है।
मैनिफेस्ट ऑल द ब्रीथ फ्रॉम योर हार्ट।
Juice in the heart.
These jewels of that not mine. Everybody.
Everybody.
देखो राधा काम तो
जय राधा माधव। जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ।
जय गिरिवरधारी जय गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी।
राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंद ओ यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन यमुना तीर वनचारी। यमुना तीर जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी। मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर। मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर। मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर। मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर। मुरली मनोहर मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर। जय गोवर्धन धारी जय गोवर्धन धारी। जय राधा माधव जय गोवर्धधारी।
जय कुंज
जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा हमारे धन राधा 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 हमारे धन राधा 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 हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा हमारे धन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव नित्य गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे
हरे कृष्ण। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वञ्चकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I'm paying my unlimited dandavats pranam to the lotus feet of mine beloved Diksha Gurudev, Om Vishnupad Sutrasutta Srimad Bhaktivedanta Bandh Maharaj, who is mercifully present here. Secondly, I'm also paying my unlimited dandavats pranam to my beloved Siksha Gurudev, Nicha Leela Patita Pavan Srila Gaur Govinda Maharaj, and also to the divine lotus feet of Nicha Leela Prabhamsa Prigacharya Sutrasutta Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. To all the gurus in our Rupanuga Guru mark, to all the Vaishnavis, and to all the presented today, all the guests who came here. My Dandavat Pranam to you all. So, yesterday my Gurudev Maharaj was telling that when he came here, we announced actually 3 programs, but he told that actually I got only 2.5 program. One program on Saturday at Naveen Prabhu, Sunday at Hall, and today he told only a half program because tomorrow he has to leave very early and he has to do some packing. So, but we only thought that only maybe 20 people would come. But we see that almost 50 people came. So it is very nice to see that all the devotees are very sincere to come to take darshan and to have sadhu sangha. So we are actually entering in a very auspicious festival, that is Navadvip Palikram, what is going to begin about a couple of days. And today many devotees of our Sangha also left to Navadvip Dham. Most of the people also arrived there safely, so that's good to hear. So I was thinking to speak something about the glories of Navadvip Dham. And maybe my Guruji can also further explain why it is such an auspicious moment if people and all the devotees are gathering there for 7 days and then doing paligram. So it is stated that Krishna and Mahaprabhu are not different. The Leela of Krishna and the Leela of Gauranga Mahaprabhu are also non-different. All the auspiciousness is there, both in the Leela. But although it is said they are not different, still some differences are there to mention. And what is that? That in the Dham, if you go to Vrajadham, and especially new devotees are going to Rajadham without any proper guidance or without any proper knowledge, they can commit many offenses there. Because aparat, offenses are very easy to do. And if you go to Vrajadham, you can do Dham aparat. And offenses and the reaction will also come. Although we are going there, but if you don't respect the Dham as it should be, then you will see that our sadhana or bhajan will be weak because of the reaction of it. So that's why it is said we have to be very careful if you go to the Dham. And that's why it is also said that we have to be always under anugat, under the guidance of Vaishnavas. Because it is said that we cannot see with our conditioned eyes the Dham, but we can see it through our ears. By hearing the Harikatha, the lips of the Vaishnavas, through the sun vibration, we can understand, get some knowledge, get some understanding. What is the Mahima of the Dham where the Lord has appeared? But it is stated that Navadvip Dham, and the scriptures also say that it's Svetadvip, and the Smritis it is called Svetadvip. But Navadvip Dham is such a wonderful Dham that offenses are not taken. That's the difference, big difference. Where in Vraja Dham, offenses are there, Dham aparat. But if you go to, although you are not qualified, still, if you go there, the mercy will flow towards you. Why? Because that is the place where Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, has appeared. And he is the most merciful Karuna avatar. And because of his mercy, yes, the offenses are not taken. It is also said that when we utter Krishna Nam, Radha Krishna, Hare Krishna, we also commit offenses. That's why it is said Nam Aparat. Nam Aparat is there. We are chanting Nam Aparat, so we are committing 10 offenses we are committing towards the name. But it's also said if we chant Nitai Gauranga, Mahaprabhu's name, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name, you cannot make offenses. Because the name of Nitai Gauranga is such powerful, such merciful. Although we have no adhikar, qualification, still this name, this sound vibration, what is coming out, is such a powerful that even our offenses is not taken. So can you imagine everything what is actually linked to Mahaprabhu is actually what we as conditioned souls are actually what is needed for us. Because it is said, we sing this song, this pranam mantra, Bhaktya vihina parada lakshay chiptastakami taranga madhye. That we have committed many lifetimes so much offenses. Tarang, aparada lakshay. And that's why we came in this taranga madhya, deep ocean of miseries. So, because of all our offenses, and we continue to make offenses, actually it is needed to get the shower of the mercy of Navadvip Dham. If we want to enter in this sadhana, in this bhakti path, we need the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Otherwise, it is not possible. That's why this Dham, Navadvip, it is said that is 9 islands. Actually, 8 petals are there, it's like lotus flower with 8 petals, and in the middle, Antardvip, Mayapur Dham is there situated. And it will begin actually from Antardvip, Mayapur Dham. The polygram starts from there. Then it will go to Simanta Dvip, Kodruma Dvip, Madhya Dvip, and then they cross over the Ganga and come to Kola Dvip, Ritva Dvip, Janu Dvip, Druma Dvip, and then Rudra Dvip, and return to Antardvip. Such a nice, all these dvips are there, and every dvips represents something. Actually, our 9 limbs of bhakti is represented every dvip. Like Simanta Dvip is Swaranam, Godram Dvip is Kirtanam, Madhya Dvip is Smaranam, and then Kola Dvip is Pada Sevayam, Ritvi Dvip is Archanam, Janu Dvip is Vandanam, and then we come to Mudra Dvip is Dasyam, and then we come to Rudra Dvip, and that is Sakhyam, and Antradvip is Atmani Vedanam. You see, the whole process is there. And by going there and to have darshan from all this dvip and performing actually this sadhana process, there is the best place to perform. All these limbs of bhakti we can perform, and the most beneficial under the guidance of the sadhus we will get. Such powerful. Today, my Gurudev was explaining that Nityananda Prabhu is giving this holy name. Mahaprabhu is actually not considering anything. Mahaprabhu wants to give the holy name to all the unqualified person. He doesn't make any discrimination. That's why it's Mahavadanyaya. Mahaprabhu doesn't seem like Jagai Madai. Ultimately, he gave. But Nityananda Prabhu, as Guru Tattva, he's saying, no, there has to be a price. Because if you don't ask something, like my Guruji was telling, if you sell this book for free, nobody will appreciate it. They will take it, everyone will take it, but who's going to read it? Who's going to read it? But if you pay the price, then you think, oh, I paid something, so let me make some effort to also read, because otherwise my money will go in waste. That's why Nityananda Prabhu is such a wonderful thinking about all these thoughts. And he's saying, no, Mahaprabhu, we have to pay a price. They have to pay a price. That's why I said, Badodaya Nityananda, Shraddha Matra Laye Dena Paramananda. That there is one price to pay, and what is that? Shraddha Matra. Only if you have faith, with faith you pay the price of to chant the holy name. That is what we have to pay, our faith. And with this faith, they said, Matra Laya Dena Paramananda, we get the highest bliss. Highest bliss what we can get. Only by paying our Shraddha to it. With Shraddha we chant. And Nityananda has opened a marketplace there. A marketplace where we can purchase this. That's why so many thousands of devotees are flying now in this time period and going there to get this, to go to this marketplace to purchase this name. Such a wonderful tradition, actually. All the footsteps where Mahaprabhu went, the Vaishnavas are following his footstep of Mahaprabhu. Every place we're there. And there's so many wonderful places there. Like every kunja is there. Also Radha Shama Kunda is also there. Surabhi Kunda, all the kunjas are there, manifested. And it's more merciful. Even when they said Brahma ji, who committed offenses to Krishna by stealing the cows, what did he do? Brahma ji went to Navadvip Dham to do tapasya, to get the mercy and to vanquish, so his offense will be vanquished. He did many hard tapasya there in Navadvip Dham because he knew that is the most merciful place where everything is forgiven. Also Shivji, same thing happened. So with this historical truth, we have to know that this Navadvip Dham is actually the best place in earth where we can be. It's the best place. It's the most merciful. And then in this Antardvip, Atmanishepan Antardvip, Mayapur Dham, Krishna took birth as Mahaprabhu. And such a wonderful gift he came to give. Such a high gift. And not only to give, but also to relish the mood of Radharani. That was the innermost desire of his. All these wonderful leelas and the association and Harinam Sarkitan is actually born there. This Harinam Yagya has been born in Navadvip Dham. And from there it is spreading all over the world. Achiyati Nagayati Gram Sarvata Prachar Hoiba Mora Nam. Mahaprabhu has said, from here everything will be distributed all over the world. So that's why we here in Capella, we are now also chanting. Mahaprabhu has predicted it from Navadvip Dham. So I'm very happy that my Guruji came. Although he got only 2.5 program. Still, he's such a merciful personality. Never complains actually. Only when his Harikatha is taken away, then he begins to complain. Otherwise, he's always silent. That is, I'm observing him. When you get some confirmation, is that why he's not, I don't organize some programs every day, twice a day. So by fulfilling his wishes, that's why I'm very happy he will come to the retreat. Twice a day he will give Harikatha. Then all his wishes will be fulfilled, hopefully. So that's why I don't want to take too much of his time and hear from him. Vanchakalpatarobhyo kripa sindhubhyo patitanam pavebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo namah.
नहीं ओ शिवानी थोड़ा कीर्तन करो शिवानी काम गुरुदेव महामंत्र कर दो महामंत्र अच्छा
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Prabhuji, can you stand up for the mic?
जय श्री रविंद्र एकाग्रधारी श्री राधाविंद बिहारी जीव की जय, श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर स्माद भक्ति वेदांत शिल वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्य लोकतन शिल नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। शिल त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति सिद्धांत शिल प्रभुपाद की, भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की, भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। जय भक्ति रख श्रीधर गुरुदेव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की पतित पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम अवतार सचिनंदन गौर हरि की, गौर प्रेमानंदे। गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये, कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते, कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे प्रिय। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कौन से भाषा में बोले? अच्छा, ट्रांसलेट कर। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my Gurupad Padmo, Nitya Lila Pravishtung Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtung Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupada Stotra Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented, all of my guests. Just I want to few words, just purification my tongue. I will not take too much of your time. Just you heard the glories of Navadvip Dham, Navadvip Dham Mahatma. Dham means, actually that is called Asray Tattva. Dasame Dasamam Bhagavatam Sri Lakshitam. Asray Tattva. And Asray means shelter. Actually this Dham, who is called the Dham? Dham actually Baladev Prabhu. He manifests in the form of Dham. Because Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna many ways. But mainly Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna in 10 ways. That's because of Dasavidha Siva. And when you heard the glories of Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna. And Dhama Rupena. And Dham Rupa, the Baladev Prabhu. Just you heard, who is Baladev Prabhu? Also Baladev Prabhu is called Guru Tattva. Guru Tattva. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru, any method, you cannot develop your spiritual life. गुरु के आश्रय बिना किसी प्रकार से परमार्थिक जीवन आप आगे नहीं बढ़ा नहीं सकते. For this regard, Dham means shelter, ashray. And without taking shelter, Lord Spirit of Dham, you cannot to develop your bhajan and sadhana. Lord is very merciful. Krishna, he is called also Vadanna, magnificent. But same Krishna, he appears in the Kali Yuga and in the form of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. And he took Srimati Radhika's two things. What are the two things? Her complexion and her mood. And that means Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Then he appears in the form of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Yeah. But same Krishna, when he appears in the form of Gaurhari, that time he is called, what did he say? Mahavadanna. Krishna is called Vadanna. A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same Krishna, he appears in the form of Sajanandana Gaurhari, he is called Mahavadanna. And his pranamada, Namo Mahavadannaya, Krishna Prema Pradayate, Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya, Namne Gaurattise. Gaurattise. Gaura means fresh complexion. Actually, this fresh complexion means Srimati Radhika. Fresh complexion. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. So Mahaprabhu, he is called Mahavadanna, and he distributed this prem all over the world, all over the universe, without any discrimination. Heno avatare, Heno avatare. In this incarnation of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not discriminate. Bhed na karila. Bhed means discrimination. He did not so discrimination, who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare tare prem den vilaiya. Who is qualified, who is unqualified. He did not discriminate. One who comes in front of him and he gives, take this prem. What kinds of prem Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving? Because before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, many acharyas came. Many incarnation of Lord Krishna also, they also appear. But they gave what kinds of prem? They gave the prem of most of the Vaikuntha prem. What prem? Vaikuntha prem. A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this Kali Yuga, he distributes what prem? You cannot imagine. That is called the prem of Golok Vrindavan. Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, then Golok Vrindavan. That prem, highest prem. And he is giving to everybody. Well, how possible? Especially in the Kali Yuga. In this Kali Yuga, all the living entities, they completely what? And contaminate with the Kali. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Kali dosha nidhi rajana. Jo ekosti mahana guna. Kirtanadava kritansa. Kali dosha nidhi rajana. He Rajan, he king. Parikshit. In this Kali Yuga, everybody has faults. Who has no faults? Raise one hand. Here, Sukadeva Goswami, Kale dosha nidhe. All the, not only one fault. Ocean of fault. What is the fault? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moh, Matsarja, lust, anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal. Everybody. Those in there. But in the Kali Yuga, one good qualification, that is Kirtana. If you chant holy names, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Then you free from all kinds of faults. यदि आप एक बार नाम कर ले बस समस्त प्रकार दोष से आप मुक्त हो जाओगे हैं इसलिए कहते हैं फॉर दिस रिगार्ड सेइंग दिस वर्ड्स हैं कीर्तनादेव और व्हाट विल परम ब्रजेत मुक्त मुक्त संग परम ब्रजेत हैं you completely liberate and from this material world and attain to Golok Vrindavan. Okay? Try to understand. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving this prem. Just in morning, we also talk about what is the song? Bada Sukher Khavar Gai. Maybe next time you can sing. This very nice, beautiful song. Bade Sukhare Khavar Gai. Bada Sukher Surobhi Kunjite नाम क्या बोले नामेर हटे बड़ सुखेर खबर गाई नामेर हाटेते करेছে खोद निताय नित्यानंद प्रभु he is so merciful. He opens on market. What in the market? What we are buying and selling in this material world market? You are go to market, buying and selling. Understand? Cloth, ornaments, food, many things. But Nityananda Prabhu in his market opened there the market. There is Harinam. He is giving Harinam. Take this. Just you heard. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he want to give everybody. But Nityananda Prabhu saying, no, little bit price I have to take. Not free. भाई फ्री में दिया जाए ना उसके सस्ता नानावस्था जानते हैं उसको सस्ता मानी everything is very cheap. They think this is useless. But same thing is very high price. Then you understand, oh, this is very good. This is true. So for this Nityananda Prabhu, he is giving this, he is distributing this Harinam. How? He is saying, not taking your price from you. What is that? Shraddha Mulle Hatere Vikai. Shraddha. Just you once chant Gaura Nam. देखले चोखेरी जल गौर बोले निताई देन सर्वत सब संबल Bhaktivinoda Thakur singing this song. Just to chant Gaura Nam. Then Nityananda had completely heard, absolutely melt. And he will give everything. Take this. Bole Krishna Nam no? Bole no. कृष्ण नाम करे अपराधीर विचार नाम लइले अपराधीर ना হয় विकार गौर नित्यानंदेर नहीं एसब विचार नाम लइले प्रेम देन बहे अश्रुधार कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी चैतन्य चरितामृतम. Do you understand this meaning? No. If you chant holy names, Krishna Nam, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. You have to consider 10 offenses of holy names. यदि किसी को यदि हरिनाम करना है, हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र जप करना है, यहाँ पर लगा दिया, शर्त लगाया, क्या करना चाहिए ना? अपराध छोड़ करके. You have to consider 10 offenses of holy name. 10 विध नामा अपराध के बारे में बता रहे. इसलिए कहते हैं कृष्ण नाम करे अपराधीर विचार गौर नित्यानंदेर नहीं ईश्वर विचार. But Gaur Nityananda, so merciful. No any consideration. Just to chant Gaura, 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 Gaura. Gaur Nam. Very sweet. Sometimes we explain. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nam is Gaura and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nam also Gora. What did he say? Who is Gora? Go means Govinda. Ra means Radha. Look there. That means Govinda, Radha or Radha, Govinda, they combined together and manifest in form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Gaura Sundar. Look at this thing. Remember, Gora, Gai Gora Chana Madhuri Sari. Gora means is what? Govinda. Go means Govinda. Ra means Radha. So Radha Govinda meeting together, combined together, manifesting in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu sang this also. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangera Namre. Je jana Gaura bhaje, se hai amar pran re. Nityananda Prabhu is singing. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga. All he chant Gaura Nam. All he perform bhajan and sadhan, Gaura, Gaura. And one who chants Gaura Nam, he is my pran. Pran means life here. Heart and soul. Nityananda Prabhu is saying. And give this thing. Gaura Nityananda nahi yesu vichar. Just chant holy name Gaura Nam. Just you heard. In Krishna Lila, and Brahma committed offense, lotus feet of Krishna. You heard this katha must be. Brahmaji, he stole Krishna's cowherd boys and calf. That is called Godhan Churi. Churi means stealing. This very, very offenses. Understand? किसी को गाय चुराना, गाय हत्या करना, ये क्या है? अपराध को माना जाता है. आज ब्रह्मा जी ने ऐसे कर दिया. बोले इसमें लीला है. एक्चुअली ब्रह्मा जी के अपराध नहीं हुआ, किंतु तथापि लोक दृष्टि में ब्रह्मा जी एक्चुअली ही डिड नॉट कमिट ऑफेंस. ब्रह्मा जी गुरु तत्व है. ब्रह्मा जी इज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन. Understand? But Brahmaji actually, he manifested Krishna's many leelas at a time. And if you read the Govatsa Haran Leela Katha, Govatsa Haran means Brahmaji stealing the calves and cowherd boys of Krishna. There are many reasons why. Why Brahmaji, he stole Krishna's calf and cowherd boys. Actually, Brahma in Jogmaya arranged how Jogmaya arranged these things and manifested in the heart of Brahmaji. Brahmaji has no any confusion. Some general people think, oh, Brahmaji confused. Krishna is Bhagavan or not. Though in Lila Katha also explained, that means just I to briefly tell you, when Krishna, he killed Aghasura, the serpent. Then Aghasura Atma, soul, came out and also going to space and moving. When Krishna came out from the mouth of Aghasura, then same Atma of Aghasura and enter in the toenails of Krishna. Aghasura की मृत्यु के पश्चात उनकी आत्मा तो चली ऊपर आकाश में, और जब कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ बाहर आ गया, अघासुर के पेट से बाहर आ गया, वही आत्मा आकर के कृष्ण के नख चंद्रमा में ज्योति में प्रवेश किया. तो ब्रह्मा जी विचार करने लगे कृष्ण भगवान है, क्योंकि शास्त्र में लिखा गया हरिना हता, दोज असुरास killed by and Hari, Sri Hari wa Krishna, and they will get the Sajujya Mukti. Sajujya Mukti. So we enter in the effulgent Krishna. Then Brahmaji realized, oh, Krishna is Bhagavan. Then next day Brahmaji, when he came, same place, Bandirbhat, then Brahmaji, he saw Krishna's another Leela. What is the Leela? Krishna is taking the remnants of cowherd boys. And cowherd boys also, they are taking Krishna's remnants. Then Brahmaji became very confused. Because Shastra in our scriptures explain who is Bhagavan Narayanam. He is Bhagavan. Narayan, he does not take the remnants to anyone. But everybody also, even Shivji, Naradji, Brahmaji, Shivji, everybody are hankering how to receive the sprinkle remnants of Lord. And now Krishna, he is taking the remnants, not only remnants, that prasad which is saliva of cow her boys, and Krishna is eating. Subal Siddham tell, take this rasagulla, and half eaten, and saliva also there, and we take them, and Krishna also taking. Then Brahmaji became confused. Is Krishna is Bhagavan? Actually, Brahmaji has no confusion. But the Jogma arranged in the heart of Brahmaji how to perform another Leela. Understand? So many Leelas in there. Because Krishna, topmost Leela, that is called Ras Leela, Krishna will going to perform Ras Leela. Understand? But in the Ras Leela, many people will be confused. So for this regard, Brahma and Jogma arranged this way. Krishna. And this way, what this way? Actually, the marriage ceremony with all the gopis with the Krishna. When Brahma stole the cowherd boys, then Krishna himself manifests many forms of cowherd boys. And that day also, Purnamasi Devi Jogman, she declared, oh, this is a super excellent, auspicious day. And here, Brajavasis, today you have to perform marriage ceremony of your daughters. Look this. Even in your womb of child. Also in your mind also perform marriage ceremony. Actually that day that the cowherd boys, who are they? Krishna. So all gopis, they married with Krishna. Look at this. People are saying, oh, Krishna is unmarried and he performed Ras Leela with the gopis. This is not good. And Krishna is not good person. He destroyed the dharma. Actually, this is not true. Krishna married in this way. Sakyatava. Our Jiva Goswami Pad explained. Another thing, Mother Jasoda always see feeding her breast to Krishna. But other gopis, those are Vatsalabha gopis, they are thinking, oh, Krishna, he is sucking the breast of only Mother Jasoda. Why not us? Even the cows, they are also thinking. The cows are thinking, Krishna have to drink our breast milk. Then Krishna also manifests in the form of cups. Drinking. Look this. Many Leelas, many Tattva Siddhanta inside also. But don't you think that Brahmaji he committed offense? This is only the Leela. Brahmaji Guru Tattva. If Guru committed offense, so how he will be destroyed all the offense of his disciple? If Guru is offender, our Shastra is saying, if Guru offender, aparadhi, give up there the Guru. Takes it punascha Vaishnava Guru. If Guru is offender, aparadhi, that Guru cannot give prem to you. Actually, for this, Brahma or Guru Tattva also. Actually, Brahma has no offense. Just Krishna doing this like Yogamaya. Anyhow, but were manifested in this Leela. Brahmaji, and he repented for his own activity. You think, oh, I committed offense of Krishna. You come in and Brahma Stuti, but Krishna did not say any word. If you go Srimad Bhagavatam, 14th chapter, and Brahma Stuti there, Brahmaji there. Just when Brahmaji chanted, recited one verse, Aho Bhaggo, Mahu Bhaggo, Nanda Gopo, Brajukosam, Janmitrang Paramanandam, Purna Brahma Sanat. Then Krishna smiled. If anybody smiled means he is happy with you. Then Brahmaji very quickly ran away. हो गया ना भाई, हमारे ऊपर आपके चरण में अपराध कर दिया, आप प्रसन्न हो गया तो ज्यादा समय रहे और कोई ना प्रश्न पूछे, इसलिए जल्दी जल्दी भाग जाओ भाई। इमिग्रेशन में जो स्टैम्प लगा दिया ना, आप जल्दी पासपोर्ट लेकर भाग जाओ। फिर उन्होंने पकड़ करके बोले भाई कहाँ से आ रहे हो, भाग जाओ। ज्यादा उन लोग के साथ उनके साथ ज्यादा बात मत करो, क्योंकि फिर कहते हैं भाई तुम कहाँ से क्या गया, भाग जाओ। हाँ भाई, ये टीका में लिख रहे हैं विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद, ब्रह्मा जी कृष्ण के कितने बार परिक्रमा किया? बोले त्रिवृत्ता। क्या बोला? त्रिवृत्ता में 3 बार। भगवान के मंदिर में कितने परिक्रमा करना चाहिए? हाउ मेनी राउंड्स यू हैव टू सर्कुलेटेड? डू यू नो? 4 times. But Brahma ji, he did not circulate to Krishna 4 times, 3 times. Then when Krishna smiled, then बोले हो गया हमारे काम। देखो ब्रह्मा जी विचार करने के लिए, मेरा तो काम ही हो गया, मैं अपराधी हूँ, जब स्तव स्तुति कर दिया बस। भगवान जब प्रसन्न हो गया भग जाता हूँ, फिर ना कोई प्रश्न पूछ ले। हाँ, जल्दी जल्दी भाग जाना ही अच्छा ही है। Later Brahma ji, he repented for his own activities. Then Brahma ji, he came in Navadvip Dham. And just you heard, Navadvip Dham is completely, absolutely. All your offenses automatically come. That is Navadvip Dham. One name is called Aparad Bhanjan Sthal. What did he say? Aparad Bhanjan Sthal. All your offenses automatically what? Destroy. Just you go once, touch the dust of Navadvip Dham, all your offenses will be destroyed. Navadvip Dham is so sweet and so merciful. So for this regard, Brahma ji, he realized in his meditation then Brahma ji, he came Navadvip Dham. Jogapit Maya, that is called Brahma. Kya sthal? Jagasthal. He performed bhajan sadhana. Brahma ji came in Antardip, just you heard? Antardip. And then Brahma ji, and many years, he also performed hard austerities. Then same Krishna appeared in front of Brahma ji, told, hey Brahma ji, I am very pleased with you. Then Brahma ji told, Prabhu, give some mercy. Then same Krishna told, hey Brahma ji, this is my Navadvip Dham. My Navadvip Dham non-different from Vrindavan. Vrindavan Navadvip में कोई भेद नहीं है. There are no difference Navadvip and Vrindavan. But some speciality in Navadvip Dham. What is that? Only those who are free from all kinds of offenses, Mukta Maru, they can go Vrindavan. But Navadvip Dham will give shelter to everybody. If you are free from all kinds of offenses or you are full of offenses, no problem. भाई वृंदावन में जो जाते हैं ना, वृंदावन धाम सबको अधिकार नहीं देंगे। कहते हैं हम पैसा लेकर वृंदावन चले, वृंदावन वास करो। बोले वृंदावन वास नहीं होता है, वृंदावन धाम के ऊपर एक जाल बिछा हुआ है। वृंदावन धाम, यू रीड भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर धाम महात्मा ग्रंथ। Vrindavan Dham is completely covered with the net of Maya. Actually, those are saying, oh, I am staying Vrindavan, I am going to Vrindavan. You are not going to Vrindavan. You can't to say. If you are offender, aparadhi, Vrindavan Dham will not give shelter to you. But Navadvip Dham, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Navadvip Dham Mahatma very clearly explained. Navadvip Dham will give shelter to everybody. You are offenders, aparadhi, or you are free from all kinds of offenses. आप अपराध से मुक्त है कि अपराधी? नवद्वीप धाम सबको धांस न दे देते हैं। और only once you go stay in Navadvip Dham, then all your offenses automatically destroy. Dham Mahatma. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Mahabadan, in the same way his Dham also Mahabadan. Mahabadan, Navadvip Dham. So Brahma ji, he performed hard austerities there. Then Krishna told, okay, I am very pleased, you burn. Then how can I serve to you? Then Krishna told, hey Brahmaji, listen. Soon in this Kali Yuga, I will appear in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari, Gauranga Sarup. Then I preach Nam, holy names, and I will distribute the highest prem to everybody. You have to help my preaching Harinam. हमारे नाम संकीर्तन के तुम सहायता बनो. इतना ही कहा दिया है. Then same Krishna appeared in front of Brahmaji in Navadip Dham, Jogapit, in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari Sarup. Hey Brahma, look, my dham, Sitadip Dham, Gaura Dham, Radha Bon, many names, Navadip Dham. Look, my Gauranga Sarup. Because I told you, in Kali Yuga, I will appear in the form of Gauranga Avatar, the incarnation of Gaura Sundar. See me. But in this Kali Yuga, I will distribute this prem to everybody. And how will distribute the prem? With Harinam. नाम के माध्यम से सबके हृदय में मैं सबको जब प्रेम संचार करूंगा. I will give the Harinam, I will give the prem. What prem? Not ordinary prem, not Vaikuntha prem, just I told. What prem Mahaprabhu is giving? Will give Golok Vrindavan, Madhur's highest prem. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he composed this verse. What is the one? Anarpita charing chirat karuna avatirana kalo samarpayatu unnata ujjal rasang sabakti sriyam hari purata sundara dudi kadamba sandirpita sada hidaya kandare spuratu va Sachinandana Gaura Hari. Sachinandana Gaura Hari. He's giving this prem to everybody. Take this. If you don't want, by force. Take prasad. I will not take prasad. Sometimes also explain. Our Krishna consciousness house is very humble. Don't mind. If you stay in hotel, you have pay or not? Pay. First you pay, then you take some food. But in our Krishna consciousness, if you just come, everybody come. Take prasad. If you say, I have no time, Maharaj. Tomorrow I have to go. Okay. No, take prasad. No, I have. Okay, I am packing for you. Take this. कितना सर्विस मोड देखो गौर सुंदर की. जो जन है गौर सुंदर के जन है. हम यहीं पर देखते हैं कितना सुंदर इनकी. पहले ही से आप लेके तैयार रख दिया. क्या वो और ड्रिंक बना करके रख दिए. टेक दिस. इफ यू टेक नो आई हैव नो टाइम. टेक प्रसाद. Little bit when love and affection, a little bit chastisement. This is called loving chastisement. You take. Okay, no. I have to go. Okay, take this prasad or also take more for your family's member. No need to cook anything. Those who are the very near the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. हमारे कृष्ण कॉन्शसनेस में ऐसी है महाप्रभु के धारा में जो लोग आए कितना ही उदार होते हैं और दयनीय भी होते हैं. टेक दिस प्रसाद. और यू ऑल्सो टेक योर हाउस. टेक दिस बोथ. खा करके जाओ और बंद करके ले जाओ. टेक दिस. गो. आइए. जस्ट आई टोल्ड एंड आई फिनिश ना. Mahaprabhu, then Brahmaji saw Mahaprabhu Gauranga Sarup. Then Mahaprabhu told, in this Kali Yuga, soon I will appear in this place where you are doing. Antardep, Mayapur. Then you help my preaching holy names. Then Brahmaji asked one question, pray to him. Prabhu, don't you give me highest caste? Don't you give me birth in the highest caste? हे प्रभु आगे जाकर के मुझे उच्च ब्राह्मण वंश में जन्म मत देना. मुझे नीच कुल में जन्म दो. You give me low class birth. So for this regard Brahmaji and Krishna then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu granted. So okay, in Kali Yuga when you will appear, you will be take birth in Mahamadam family. है मुस्लिम अंतज, एक्चुअली हमारे शास्त्र में कहा गया अंतज है महान. So for this Brahma ji appeared in the form of Haridas Thakur. Actually Haridas Thakur is not Mahamedam. Haridas Thakur is not Lokasper. Haridas Thakur is Brahma Haridas, who chanted holy names. Aho bata chopachad gariyan jad jyagre bartete namatubhyam. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. One who chants holy names, he is higher than Chaturvedi Brahmana. Here Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Aho bato sapachoto gariyan. Sapach means one who eats the dog meat. Saw means kutta. कुत्ता के मांस खाने वाले भी व्यक्ति भी एक बार नाम करते हैं, वो सामवेदी ब्राह्मण से भी श्रेष्ठ बन जाता है. अब देखो हरिदास ठाकुर लोकस्ट, हरिदास ठाकुर मुस्लिम महामंडल, ये तो संसार के विचार से हम कहते हैं. हरिदास ठाकुर even in this way, those who are chanting holy names, all they are Brahmana. Who is not Brahmana? All you are Brahmana. You are chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama. So coming Haridas Thakur very humble. Okay. This. Even Shivji also committed offense. In Krishna Lila, in Dwarka Lila, Krishna also, Krishna, Shivji also committed offense. And what is that? When, just I remember, in the Banasur, and the fight of Banasur with Krishna, and then Krishna, he also almost defeated. Then his friends, Kasiraj, he also worshipped Lord Shiva. Then Kasiraj, when defeated, then Shivji himself to came to assist to him. And then Sudarshan Chakra, first he completely burned the palace of Kasiraj. Then Sudarshan Chakra running towards Shivji. Then शिवजी कंप्लीट लॉर्ड, शिवजी के लंगोटी कहाँ खड़े के पता ही नहीं, शिवजी दौड़ करके भागने लगे. शिवजी ran away and he came in Jagannath Puri, very close to Jagannath Puri. That is called, what is his name? What is Shivalinga is there? What are you saying? Understand? That is staying in there. Bhubaneswar Shivalinga. Bhubaneswar. Look, try to understand. Then Sudarshan Chakra returned back. So Shivji, later he also repented for his own offenses. Then Shivji also came in Navadvip Dham and performed her austerities. Where? That is called Harihar Khetra. If you go Navadvip Dham Parikrama, that Harihar Khetra is there. Shivji. Then Krishna is very pleased with him. Shivji, bar mango. You ask any meditation, then Prabhu, I committed your offense. Don't take my. Then Krishna manifests in the form of Gaura Sundar. Yes, Shivji, in this Kali Yuga, I'll appear in the form of Gaura Sundar and preach Nam Sankirtan. You also assist me to preach my Nam Sankirtan. Dekho, Shivji appeared in the Kali Yuga, which form? Advaita Acharya. And they combined for Mahavishnu and Sadashiv. Inside of the Shiv also. Dekho, how is it? So why am I saying? Because Navadvip Dham, if Navadvip Dham is completely what? Transcendental. So first, if we have to go Navadvip Dham, without receive this mercy of Navadvip Chandra and Navadvip Dham, any method you cannot enter in Vrindavan Dham. That's a Shastra Praman. This is the evidence in the scriptures. Many people, they are thinking, oh, I don't want to go Navadvip Dham Parikrama. It is better I go to Brajamandal Parikrama. 1 month, staying very nice. There they go. But no, you have to go Navadvip Dham Parikrama. then you receive this mercy of Navadvip Dham, and all your offenses destroyed. Without this mercy of Sachinandan Gaur Hari, any method, you cannot enter Vrindavan Dham. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanasti. Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavane Ebodure. Aradhito Duja Dijasuta Brajanagaraste. Naradhito Dijasuta Nataveha Krishna. Our Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad composed these bhars. Aradhito Navavanam. That means Navavan means Navadvip Dham. Navadvip Dham. Aradhito, one who worships Navadvip Dham. You may say, how to worship Navadvip Dham? Do Dham Parikrama. That is called, you are worshipping Navadvip Dham. Dham Parikrama, ये पाद सेवन कहा जाता है. Understand? देखो, you are circumlated to Navadvip Dham. That is called पाद सेवनम. Ambarish Maharaj, Katha in there. Ambarish Maharaj, he engaged all his limbs and body to serve to Krishna. So here the Padu Harer Ketram. That means Ambarish Maharaj, he performs circumambulation of Krishna's Dham. So Navadvip Dham, Pada Sevan. You are those who are performing Navadvip Dham Parikrama circumambulation. Actually, this is called Pada Sevanam. Look this. So that means one who worships Navadvip Dham and Navadvip Chandra. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanasti. The one who worship Navadvip Dham, they can attain Vrindavan Dham. Naradhito, those who are not worship Vrindavan, any method, they can attain to Vrindavan Dham. Aradhito Dijasuta, those who worship, Dijasuta means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You understand? Dija means Brahmana. Suta means son, the son of Brahmana. That means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's father's name Jagannath Misra. Misra means Brahmana. Dijo Sutta. You understand? Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Dijo Sutta, Sachinandan Gaur Hari, not possible. So Aradhito Dijo Sutta Vrindavan Brajanagaraste. If you worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari, very easy to attain Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jaivadhana very clearly explained. Maybe these jewels of the heart I also explain. Those who worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari and serve to Krishna, that means one who served Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Listen very carefully this Siddhanta. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jaivadhana explained. One who worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. When their bhajan sadhana will be completely what? क्या बोलते हैं? परिपक्व हो जाएंगे, mature. Then his atma divided in two. At a time, he will go Sitadip Dham and serve to Sachinandan Gaur Hari. And at a time, he will serve Vrindavan Chandra Vrindavan Dham. Look, you will get two benefits. Only you worship Sachinandan, Radha and Krishna, you cannot get Navadvip Dham. But if you worship Navadvip Dham, Navadvip Chandra Gaura Sundar, आपके दो हाथ में लड्डू मिलेगा, एक शतद्वीप धाम और एक वृंदावन है. Look this. So saying, Aradhito Dijasuta Brajanagaraste. Naradhito Brajasuta. Naradhito Dijasuta. Natabeha Krishna. If you not worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari, any method, you cannot attain Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. So that means our pramani. Jatha jatha gaura padara vinde, binde bhuat kutapunna punja, tatha tatha sarvide hri akasmat, radha padambuju sudhamburasi. This Sanskrit sloka is funny. If you worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari, and automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. Jatha jatha gaura padara vinde, binde bhuat kutapunna punja, tatha tatha sarvide hri akasmat, Radha Radha Prem automatically manifests in your heart. So everybody worships Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gaur Dham, Gaur Nam. Gaur Dham and Gaur Nam. I told this is called the most munificent and magnanimous. So everybody come. If this year it will not come, maybe tomorrow, next year come. Maybe next year come, next year come. You have to come. Have to come. Understand? Don't neglect. Don't alasya mat karo. Don't lazy. Are money is not problem. Problem your mind. Well, Maharaj, I have no money. How to go Navadip Dham? Hey! Money not problem. Problem your mind. Pray to Krishna. Krishna will give a lot of money to you. 100%. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Automatically money will come. You think no? Because Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ananya Chintantamang Jijana Parjupasate, Tesang Nitabi Jogak Kshemam Baham. What is the meaning of Joga and Kshemam? You understand? Jogak Kshemam Baham Baham. Bahami, Krishna says, I will carry on my head whatever he has need. Even how to maintain his life and his burdens up. And I'll give everything to this. Money not problem. Problem your mind. You don't want to go. So I'm saying, no. You have to just ask to Krishna, Krishna, hey Mahaprabhu, please give me shelter. Hey Chaitanya Krishna Chandra, give me shelter unto your lotus feet. Then Krishna will arrange everything. Money, where will come, you don't know. Money is flying in the sky. Just to catch. हाँ भाई. अरे पैसा वैसे घूम रहे हैं. तुम अपने भोग के सेवा में लगे तो इसलिए पकड़ नहीं पा रहे हो. And if you enjoy for your own sense gratification, further money is not coming in your hand. But if you think, no, and this money I will use for only the service of Guru and Krishna, Dham Seva, Vaishnava Seva, money automatically come. Come Navadip Dham, everybody. I'll not talk too much time. Vancha Guru Kripa Sindhu Vivacha Patita Nang Pavane Bho Vaishnava. Bolo. Yeah. So all you just in your heart pray to Krishna, pray to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Next year I have to go. Who will go next year? Everybody come. Raise your hand. Just to pray Krishna. Krishna will give money. Money not problem. Just to pray to Krishna. Now 1 year. And pray to every day. How to go Navadip Dham? How to go Navadip? Money will come. If you have no, come with me. I will give money to you. Come with me. No money? Why not no money? You have money. Just come with me. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari You can distribute the prasadam. Haribol.
जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल. 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 जय राधा हरि बोल. हरि बोल. हरि बोल. हरि बोल. हरि
जय राधा हरि बोल।
जय नाम संकीर्तन की जय, शिला गुरुदेव की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सामगत भक्त वृंद की jay, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bo. Voor de mensen die nog het boek nog niet hebben, Gurudev zei van dat het nog vandaag nog door hem gesigneerd kan worden, dus, maar ik denk dat de meeste mensen dat al hebben. We gaan nu over tot Mahaprasad. Vandaag heeft mijn Gurudev